Here I got another eBay package. I'm gonna box now. Get the shipping label off almost. So let's move on. But be careful though. Shit. Stabbed my fucking self with scissors. But I'm okay. Hopefully they came in good condition. The speakers. I'm gonna pause and try to get the tape off. Maybe I don't have to. Maybe. Don't think I have to. Pause. Wow, nice. Look at that. Girls pushed in a little bit, but it doesn't affect the speaker at all. The speaker's good. You can see it. I find this at least acceptable. How about the other one? Yeah. This one came in like excellent shape. It rattles or anything like that. Camera stuff, hardware and stuff. Look at that. So. I'm about to take a picture of this because it's in pretty good shape. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.